Ready to unlock powerful insights into your website visitors' behavior using the Pinterest Tag and Google Tag Manager. First, let's head over to your Pinterest Ads account. Navigate to the Ads section and select Conversion. Then, in the left-hand sidebar, click Pixels. If you haven't set one up, click Create Pin Tag. Now, click Set up Pinterest Tag manually. Go ahead and copy the base code provided. This is super important, so don't skip this step. Next, let's jump into your Google Tag Manager account. In the Workspace section, click New Tag. Give your tag a descriptive name, something like Pinterest Base Tag. Then, click on Tag Configuration. Scroll down and choose the custom HTML tag type. Paste the Pinterest base code you have just copied into the HTML field. It's time to set a trigger. Click on the Triggering section. Here, you'll want to select all pages. This ensures the Pinterest tag fires on every page of your website, capturing all user activity. Save your tag, and then submit and publish your changes in the Google Tag Manager. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Pinterest tag. This will help you track conversions, build audiences, and get valuable insights to power up your marketing.